This is Lola's final walk in my arms. And the strange phenomenon, out of all the houses in our community, we have these Canadian geese on our roof, like barking as Lola is dying. I don't know what that's about. Why did they pick our roof only out of all the houses in the entire neighborhood? It's a strange thing. As if it has something to do with Lola's last walk. Bye-bye, Lola. Are they here to give you a send-off? Very strange. Out of all the houses in the community, they chose ours at the moment Lola is dying. Look at that. Are they here for her? Weird. We never had this before. And I got Lola in my arms. And this is her final walk. It's very strange. As if they came for her.